Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join guilds on the Lords mobile game. So let's get started right away. Now, when you are playing the Lords mobile game, you might occasionally get requests asking you to join a guild, depending on what kind of level you are within your game. You can tap on the join button or the view option to look at the details about the guild. After viewing the details, you will see the join now button, which you can tap on it in order to join this guild immediately. Once you have joined a guild, you will see it within the guild menu at the bottom section. You can also create your very own guild if you wish to do so. And if you don't get any requests within your homepage, you can still tap on the guild menu and tap on join guild to search for a guild that you want to join. You can tap on the apply button in order to get accepted into a guild, or you can also tap on the join option to join immediately. And once you have joined a guild, you will become a member and you can participate in various group events. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join guilds on the Lords mobile game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.